Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on the place you are watching for. Welcome to God Glory Happy Kitchen. I'm greeting with your time, guys. Welcome to our kitchen. Ciao ragazzi, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera. Dipende dove tu stai guardando questo video. Benvenuto a God Glory Happy Kitchen, benvenuto nella nostra cucina. Hai visto? Oggi facciamo biscotti di Natale per albero. Today guys, we want to make biscuits, Christmas biscuit for Christmas tree. Biscuit, we are going to hang it for Christmas tree, okay? So let us go guys and do the recipe together. Do you want to know how to do this Christmas biscuit? So just stay there, watch the video to the end. Don't move on in so that you will know how to do this biscuit, okay? And the ingredient we need for this biscuit, we need 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 150 grams of butter. This margarine, can use normal butter if you like. We need baking powder 7 grams, pinch of salt. To decorate, we need our eyes here and sugar ball and rope and toothpick to put on for the biscuit. Ingredienti che serve per questo biscotti di Natale: 2 uova, 400 g di farina 00, 7 g di lievito per dolce, zucchero, 100 g di zucchero semolata, 150 g di burro. Questo qua margarina, tu puoi usare burro normale, spizzico di sale. Per decorare abbiamo pasta di zucchero qua, rosso, bianco, verde, e pallina di zucchero e filo, anche sticcadenti. Guys, we have to put all our ingredients together and mix to make the dough. Mettiamo tutti il nostro ingrediente insieme e mischiamo tutto. Our egg. So we have to mix the dough. Lavoriamo impasto. I had our pinch of salt to eat. And mix everything together, okay? Guys, the dough is set. We have to cover it, leave it for free to rest for 30 minutes. Il nostro impasto è pronto. Adesso copriamo e metto in frigorifero per riposare per mezz'ora. Dopo lavoriamo impasto. After 30 minutes, we have to spread our dough. We have to flat it. We are ready to rest. So take some like this. I put flour on the down so that it will be easy for me to flat, and some the up. So we have to flat the dough. Already flat it. We have to take stamp like this for biscuit, other stamp. This angel now, just like this. Cut it, okay? This wings. Cut it. Father Christmas. So stamp like this, we have to cut all of them like this. Give her the stamp star. Guys, I already cut it, as you can see now. Then we flat the rest like this and do it like this. Then let me show you like this. You take this toothpick, just put hole here before we bake it. If you are doing this, guys, you have to on your oven down 180 degrees for 10 or 15 minutes, depends of your oven, guys. So this Father Christmas, our stuff. So our string. Why I'm putting this so because I want to put rope to put it Christmas tree, you know. This sockets. So this bear, we have to do all like this. Then we bake for 15 or 10 minutes, depends of your oven. we have to do all like this and bake it, okay? Ragazzi, devi stendi tutto e tagliare varie colori, forma, angelo, Babbo Natale, stella cometa, tutti devi fare tutti così e metti buco, perché devi mettere tacca via su albero, quindi anche cuore, varie modello. E ce li fanno statico per 180 gradi per 10 o 15 minuti, dipende tu a forno. As you can see, our biscuit is set. We have to flat our eyes. Adesso stendiamo il nostro pasta di zucchero. Then we have to cut it with this stamp the same way we used to cut all these biscuits. You can see already a flat it, red, white and green. Io la stendo quello qua. Adesso tagliamo con stampino stesso mondo che io ho tagliato e cosa prima, biscotti. The way I used to cut the biscuit also. This is the tray, so we have to cut it like this, slice them the same way, uguale come io ho fatto biscotti, perché noi devi taccare sopra, we have to attach it to it, okay? So we have to do all like this, noi devi fare tutto così. Already finished to slice our eyes. Now we have to attach it to the biscuit. We just take water like this, brush it, diamo acqua, metti sopra e pasta di zucchero uguale, ok? Then we now attach it to the up like this. Then our toothpick like this, so that we get it all like this. Così we have to do all our biscuit like this. This is Angel. Where's Angelo? Let me take heart the same way, just brush it with water, normal water, acqua normale. Prendiamo nostro pasta di zucchero uguale, bagna appena, just little water, not much, so that it will attach. Then we'll now take our toothpick from the back to the front to put the hole, just like this, okay? Voila. Father Christmas, the same thing. So just take it, water, acqua e tacca. Da dietro nostro buco, from back we have to put our not this hole, we have to put rope to hang it to our tree. Okay, we have to do all the biscuit like this. You need tutti biscotti così. Anche, let me show you three. The same. Questo albero. Take green. All of them the same way I do this. All of them like this. You have to attach it to it. Very easy to do. You can easily do it with your kids, especially when you have a little kids, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years. You know they like to stain their hand with biscuits, flour, all those things. If we do it with them, they will love it. Just like this, you have to do all like this. I'm finished attaching the eyes. Just take scissors and cut the rope like this, the measurement you want, and take our sugar ball. So if you want to put ball, if you don't want to put ball, you can easily do it normal without putting body ball to it, just like this in the stand with water just place it here. I want to use ball to decorate it, just like this, to decorate the biscuit. Se voi decorate, metti palla di zucchero così, just like this, to decorate it. And the tray, if you don't want to decorate it with ball, you can easily do it without put adding ball to it. Se non vuoi metti pasta di pallina di zucchero po fa senza. You want to put like this, okay? Then we now take our rope. Help yourself with toothpick. Okay, bring it out like this. You will do all like this. This one is already break. And we help yourself with, just take small toothpick, easier, because that toothpick I used before is too big. Then if not, the biscuit will break. Okay, help yourself. It's not easy because this rope is very big. You can easily use tiny thread to do it. Okay, you can easily help yourself just like this. So you can see, bring the rope out, just start it. It's good to go to the tree like this. Then you will place it in your tree, Christmas tree. You have to do all like this. Guys, our biscuit is set. Our Christmas biscuit is set. Guys, our Christmas biscuit is set. If you like this video, just give a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel if you are not subscribed yet. You already subscribed before. Thank you, God bless you. We see you on our next video. Bye bye. Grazie ragazzi che avete guardato questo video. Il nostro biscotto è pronto. Iscrivetevi al nostro canale se tu non ancora fatto. E iscritto qua prima. Grazie Dio di benedica. Ci vediamo nel nostro prossimo video. Grazie mille. Ciao ciao. Bye bye guys. We see you on our next video. Bye bye. Okay.